Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So how are you my dear friends and my all beautiful viewers? I hope you are all fine. I pray that you will always be happy and well wherever you are. First of all, I would like to introduce you to my YouTube channel in my video. I give you brand new hairstyle, haircut and hair dye color ideas for beautiful girls and beautiful women, which is about the latest trendy haircut, hairstyle and hair dye color ideas from all over the world that you can use to make your personality more beautiful and charming. If you are a fashion lover and want to know the latest haircut, hairstyle and hair trend in fashion, so please guys subscribe my YouTube channel. My channel publish videos that focus new and emoji haircut, hairstyle and hair dye color ideas for beautiful women born in the fashion industry from all over the world. If that sound like it got me helpful for you, please everyone subscribe my YouTube channel. Today's video you will see brand new and trendy short haircut ideas for beautiful ladies. Today video is very special, so friends please watch my video till the end. So don't miss any hair cutting and hair dye color ideas, and if you want to get pixie haircuts then you must watch the full video and take a screenshot of whatever haircut and hairstyle you like. After taking a screenshot, you can save into your mobile and wherever you have your haircut and style your hair. By saving this picture, you can get your haircut from any beauty salon in your area. After watching the video, you must comment in the comment section how do you like our video, how do you like our channel videos and what you want to see on our channel. I will be very happy to follow your comments, so definitely comments. Thank you so much. I have come up the best hair products for you friends that you will see in the description below. Be sure to open the links in the description to buy best hair products. Also tell me in the comments box which hair products you would like to buy from Amazon, so that I can come up with the best hair products for you friends. If you like a video, don't forget to like it. I have a small request that you will share my video with your friends and also with your family, because everyone need hair cutting, styling, sharing video will help them too, and you help me somehow. I will keep again a good video for you. Thank you so much friends of your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourage me and motivate me for bring more useful videos for you. Thank you so much friends for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much friends. Thank you so much friends. Goodbye my dear friends, till the next video. See you soon.
Bye bye.